Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off watch history on TikTok apps. Now, let's get started. First, open your TikTok account or your TikTok apps. And after this, in here, you just click on the profile icon at the bottom. In here, you just click on the three lines icon at the top. And then in here you just click on the setting and privacy, and then in here you just click on the watch history. Okay, and then in here you can see your watch history. If you wanna turn off watch history feature, so you just click on the setting icon at the top, and then you can click this icon, this button, like this. And then in here you just click on turn off. Okay, like this. Watch history off. So that's how to turn off your watch history on TikTok apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.